Hello gang, Skypilot here. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm just going to solve a problem that I've had for some time now. Any of you guys who have paired any of these quads before, the toothpicks or mini drones or whoops or anything, if you've paired it, then you're going to know what I'm talking about. And that is when you're holding that tiny incy wincy little button in there to bind it to your transmitter, you need to be an octopus, because you got your thing beeping there and you're trying to push that little button in. At the same time, you're somehow expected to get power flaming together, which is always really hard. I always have difficulty in doing it, whether it's any one of these batteries, whether it's a big XT60 plug or a little XT30, even smaller, anything that you go to bind can be quite tricky. So I've got some things here. It's going to make something to make my life a little bit easier, so that when I do bind these quads, I'm not pulling my hair out. Sit back, grab a beer, and hopefully the show will be sped up sufficiently so that the finished product can be presented without any delay. So for this job I'm going to need some cutters, some pliers, some XT60 plugs, some wire, a special black box, a special switch, solder, maybe some glue, some spray, some spare plugs, soldering iron, magnifying glass,
right now.
Okay, so positives are soldered onto the switch. Not going to worry about the light. Negatives through. I've got my male and female XT60 at each end drilled with a button. And I've just got some super duper man glue just to keep them nice and fixed inside there. And one more thing to do. There you have it, gang. Wouldn't be a finished project without a couple of stickers. The DIY Easy Binding Box Mark 1. Let's see if it works. So like I said, this is the hassle you have. Plugging and pushing to pair, it's always a drama for me. So hopefully with this device, I'm going to plug in one end. I'm going to plug in the other end, and then nice and calmly we're going to push the bind button, which is actually hidden right underneath here of the HGLRC Sector V, but for all intents and purposes this is me pushing the binding button. As you guys know, once you've pressed the bind button you then need to push the power, which is always a difficult bit. So in with the bind button and in with the plug. Simple as that. On and off. Job's done. And look, even if you are using two hands on your drone as well, which often you are, and you still need to get those battery connectors connected, use the other part, just use the other part of your hand there and push away. Simple as that. And you're now paired without calling someone to help you or you stuffing around yourself. So I think that's pretty cool. Excellent. Let me know what you think. If you want any instructions or any ideas on how to make one of these yourself. Most important bit is the stickers. There you have it. Skypilot binding box Mark 1. Hope you got something from this, guys. Yeah, drop me a comment. Thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't like it. Or let me know how I can improve it. Pretty cool. Get past C. Reminds me, I'm going to go fly on my skip. I love this thing. Last but not least, smash that bell, guys, if you want to be notified of all my new adventures. Catch you another day, real soon. Take it easy, Skypilot. See you later. So I know what you're saying, guys. What if I've got an XT30 whoop here that I want to do some binding to, which the majority of us do have? Well, you don't need to build another one of these. Simply get yourself a couple of adapters. I've just made up a couple here, or you can buy them from your good mates at Banggood. Plug in your appropriate ends, male to male, female to female, etc. Plugged in, plugged in. Power off. Make sure you've got your polarities right, otherwise she's going to go snap, crackle, pop. And again, locate that really hard to press bind button. Give them a press. When you're ready to go, on with the button. And Bob's your uncle.